Tesla Motors makes its first earnings report today as a public company. The electric car maker, founded by Elon Musk, went public back in June. And Bloomberg's special correspondent Willow Bay got an exclusive interview with Musk. She joins us now live from Los Angeles. Willow?
Good morning, Margaret. How are you?
I'm good. Welcome.
So, Tesla Motors CEO Elon Musk is a Silicon Alley inventor. He has a proven track record with a luxury green car, the Roadster, and he put a rocket into space. But his skills as a showman and his high-profile divorce have made him a lightning rod for criticism. Now, with more than $200 million raised in that June IPO, he's got to prove that he can deliver those luxury electric vehicles and do it better, smarter, and faster than Detroit.
Please welcome Elon Musk. You are either a superhero or a supervillain. What's your choice, sir?
Well, I think probably neither. I'm actually really mostly an engineer. I design things.
Oh, yeah. Engineer. Yeah. Bruce Wayne's a banker.
Right.
CEO Elon Musk's plans for Tesla Motors go far beyond producing high-end electric vehicles. He wants to engineer a new business model for the auto industry, a company that develops, manufactures, sells, and services its own cars.
They're not going to just revolutionize the electric vehicle. They're going to do it from Palo Alto, not use traditional engineering. They're going to supposedly be faster to market, although that remains to be seen. They're not going to use a traditional dealership network. In the end, it begins to look a bit like the same sort of quixotic quest that DeLorean himself was on, and that gets very difficult to do.
A goal that's just too ambitious, industry analysts say, even for the high-flying Musk.
What you're saying is, we're going to revolutionize not one aspect of the industry, we're going to take on everything, every flaw that we see in the auto industry. And the industry is replete with flaws.
Musk's hope for a big payday is the Model S, a family-sized sedan that's half the price of the six-figure Roadster. It's set to hit the market in 2012. Just before Tesla's June IPO, Musk acquired the NUMMI plant in Fremont, California, an enormous manufacturing facility, in an 11th-hour deal with Toyota that stunned many in the car business. The partnership brought Tesla a little cash and a lot of validation, but it may have come with a price.
If you were cynical, you'd say it's trading away the long term for the short term. Because long term, that plant's a liability Tesla doesn't need. Short term, it looked fabulous. NUMMI's a giant albatross. It was going to be a giant albatross around the neck of Toyota. In our view, it's now a giant albatross around the neck of Tesla.
And the collateral damage left by Musk when he abandoned a deal for a plant in the Southern California city of Downey just hours before its completion raises questions about how he runs his business.
You don't look somebody in the face and shake their hands and do something, and 12 hours later just do the complete opposite.
Mario Guerra is a councilman and former mayor for the city of Downey. After months of negotiations, he learned Musk had signed the Toyota deal.
You were very personally involved. Did you take it personally?
I sure did. I felt that the relationship warranted knowledge of what was going to happen before that, or at least not to lead us on into that particular time.
Tesla continues to burn through cash, reporting a $30 million loss in the first quarter of 2010. And analysts doubt they can bring the Model S to market without raising hundreds of millions more. Disingenuous or not, Elon Musk says that Toyota deal was very definitely in the best interest of his shareholders, Margaret.
Well, I mean, you just talked about some of his skeptics there. This was the first automaker to go public in this country in 50 years. I mean, Elon's really taken a very public stance here. With that comes a fair amount of skepticism. I mean, did you ask him about how that makes him feel?
Margaret, we did. We spoke to him at length, and we went through several of the questions. He's actually beginning to handle the steady stream of skepticism and criticism a little bit better. Here's some of how he characterizes it.
For a lot of people out there, certain journalists in particular, they sort of assume that we must be some combination of a fool or a liar, or maybe both. You know, just because we're saying we're going to do something that no one succeeded in practically in living memory.